My name is Samdi Siam, and here's my take on what the pill does to the woman's body. Let me begin with the law of the unintended consequences. You see, nature is finicky things, and one reason it is so finicky is that everything in it is interdependent. That means you can't go changing one thing without changing the other. That's why time traveling is such a bad idea, and why butterfly flapping its wing in Brazil are always getting blamed for tornadoes in Texas. Whenever you you have this interdependent systems, which in nature we always do, making one small change at point A can set off a change of events that culminates much more bigger events, widespread changes in point B and through Z. The idea is something that I have been talking about all along without even actually talking about it, about this sexual revolution of the pill by Margaret Sanger. You see, everything that a pill does, all the changes that it causes throughout a woman's body happen because the woman's body systems are hugely interdependent and therefore prone to all sorts of I wasn't expecting that to happen. Woman's sex hormone influence a whole bunch of other things in her body as well. And those things influence other things per se. Oh, which is why the pill change a lot more than our proclivities towards monthly egg release. It changes everything. It could include things that seems to have nothing to do with sex. It changes how the digestive system works in a woman's body. It changes how her microbiomes look like. It changes how her immune system functions, what other endocrine organs do, and how her metabolism operates, and of course, what it does to the head. That's my take on the pill. Have a blessed day.